How's it going, guys? Fred at YouTube Obsessions. Today we're going to replace these factory radius rods with some aftermarket radius rods. So a couple things you're going to need to get this job done is an 18mm socket, a 18mm wrench, lug nut socket, and so the first thing you need, take the wheels off, get her up, and start undoing them. You need to undo the 4 bolts here, 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 and here on both sides. Get them replaced out. So after I got on changing the rods out, I went ahead and put the tires back on there, set everything back down, made sure my angles were proper, made sure the wheels were up and straight up and down like they're supposed to be, and then I took the tires back off, and I torqued everything down to factory spec, and then I put the tires back on and torqued those all down. So there you go, guys. Changed out a set of radius rods today. You guys look for more videos and have a good day.